What is sociological research? In terms of understanding fundamental concepts of research and the relationship between sociological theories and researches. In survey methods, we will cover sampling methods like probability sampling and non-probability sampling, questionnaire methods, structured questionnaires and non-questionnaire structured questionnaires, interview methods, structured interviews and non-structured interviews. We will discuss the measure of dispersion and its application in research like standard deviation, variance and covariance. Social researches are basically to standardize the societal concept like culture, struggle, generation gap, social distance, etc. It is basically to formulate solutions to social problems or to maintain social organization and remove social tension and misconceptions. After completing this course, you all are able to understand the basic concept of sociological research.